So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to lock an image here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva is open up on your device, what I want you to do is to go to the Elements tab or go to the Uploads tab and just add a photo to your design. So for this demonstration, I'll select a photo right here of someone pouring like a cup of coffee, whatever the case may be. So once that is done, you want to lock the photo. So what locking the photo does, it means that if you actually press on it or whatever, it's not going to move. So for example, if you wanted the photo to be, let's just make it a little bit smaller, and you want to position this into the middle of your page, but you don't want to move it. Once that is done, and your photo is where you want it to go, press on the photo, go to these three little dots right here, go to the left, press on lock position only. So once that is locked, you actually can't press on it or move it anymore. If you want to unlock it, simply just press on the unlock button, just like that. Now you can move the photo around and do whatever you have to do. So once again, press on the photo, press on lock. Now it is locked in place. You can't move it around no matter what. Pretty straightforward. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this Canva video helps.